Hello, I'm Duncan Oswald, founder of STEP Energy. STEP has developed a system which everyone can use to reduce their carbon dioxide emissions and save money doing it. 2 years ago, almost every country in the world signed up to the Paris Agreement to limit greenhouse gas emissions, and each country now has a detailed plan of how they will achieve their commitment. Like many European countries, Scotland has a plan to cut emissions over the next 15 years to a third of what they were in 1990. Residential emissions will be cut by 5% every year, which is equivalent to replacing 100,000 oil and gas-fired domestic heating systems with low-carbon electric systems every year. STEP has developed an integrated ecosystem of cloud server, hardware and software, which lets you power anything that uses electricity for the lowest possible greenhouse gas emissions. The amount of carbon dioxide emitted to generate a kilowatt-hour of electricity varies daily, weekly and seasonally because of variations in demand and in renewable generation. STEP calculates grid carbon intensity in real time and models it using sophisticated learning algorithms, then uses this information to manage the power consumption of anything that can store energy in any form: batteries, hot water, hydrogen, anything. STEP learns the requirements and behaviour of any device and predicts the best time to switch it on so that it can charge up with the lowest possible climate impact. The system manages the device and monitors performance, improving every day. It even tracks on-site renewable generation, so if you have your own solar panels, STEP makes sure you get the most out of them by using the power yourself. Our development prototypes show that using STEP to run your central heating reduces greenhouse gas emissions by 20%. The same goes for charging your electric vehicle, domestic batteries or even your mobile phone. And the more you use it, and the more people use it, the better it gets. More people using STEP means more renewable energy can be installed and emissions drop even more. And not just for STEP users, but for the whole economy. Our team of scientists, environmentalists and engineers, we're good at identifying and solving problems using software, hardware, ingenuity and inspiration. We've used all of these to get STEP to the point where we can show that it works and that it makes a real difference to fighting climate change. But to make it a success, we need to be better at commercialization. With EDF support, we can employ people who are good at researching markets, good at defining products and services, good at setting up distribution channels, and good at advertising, and people who are good at translating our vision and enthusiasm into the language of investors. STEP is a proven solution to a big part of a huge problem with an enormous market around the world. We have made it work. Please help us make it happen. Thank you for listening.